Hello guys and welcome to TecnologiaParaMi. This is Leo here and I'm really happy to see you in this video. Today we have an amazing product from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Pro. And today we're not only going to do an unboxing video, I will teach you how to set it up with the Xiaomi Home app. If this is your very first time on the channel, please remember to subscribe and leave in the comment section any doubt you may have. So let's begin. This is the new Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Pro, the company's most advanced air purifier and recently globally launched. Let's see its specifications in detail while we do the unboxing. Inside the box you'll find the power cable and the manuals and warranty conditions in different languages. Remember that I always ask you or recommend you to read it so that you can understand the product in more detail. Let's get this guide out of the box and we can start with these dimensions and exterior design. In this air purifier we find a size that translates into power. I will leave you the exact dimensions on the screen. We are facing a compact and lightweight device since it weighs only 6.8 kilograms. Its designs remind us a lot of other generations and even other products. In the upper side we have a removable grid that is easy to clean. The only thing you need to open it is a screwdriver because it has been designed to prevent children from removing it. And by the way, make sure to disconnect the power when you are doing any kind of maintenance. In the back side we find a door that is super easy to open since it is magnetic, and this level that reminds us to open it and remove the filter from the back. This filter is 316 grades cylindrical and has an active carbon column to improve the air cleaning process, as Xiaomi has developed a high efficiency filter that it will give us cleaner air, low noise and lower energy consumption compared to a conventional HEPA filter. It can purify up to 40 to 16 square meters and can achieve it in just 15 minutes. Small particles will not be a problem since it has 3 filters in one, which when working together can purify your air and keep your spaces healthy. This filter can last between 6 months or 1 year, depending of course on the conditions and use. This means that it does not require frequent replacement of the filter, and also within the app you will have a reminder of how many approximate days are remaining. On the front of the body it has a circular touch screen with OLED technology with 2 different brightness levels, not to mention that it can work perfectly with the screen off, which would technically be 3 levels, right? To regulate these brightness levels, simply press the button on the back of the purifier. Also on this screen you find 2 main buttons, the turning on and turning off button and the other button to change modes between the 3 different levels of purification, automatic mode or night mode, as well as a favorite mode in which you can customize the operation of the device. You can also see additional information such as the percentage of the humidity, temperature, Wi-Fi connection indicator, the active mode and others. One of my favorite things here is that you can link it with Google Assistant or Alexa and it will work perfectly. And speaking about connections, Wi-Fi and the app, we're going to check it out how the app works and of course how to set it up. To configure it, you only need to download the Xiaomi Home app and create an account or enter your Xiaomi account or Mi account. Once you have logged in, you must touch the plus sign in the upper right corner to start scanning and searching for the device automatically. You must enter the data of your Wi-Fi connection and wait a few seconds until the configuration is finished. Please do not close the app. When the process is finished, you will be able to find important information such as air quality, temperature and humidity. The same information that we can see directly in the purifier screen, and that information is updated in real time. But those are not the only things you can see in the app. You can turn the air purifier on and off, as well as switch between the different established modes or make changes in speed. Something super important is that it gives you information about how many days the filter has left. You can also program the on and off, and something super cool is the child lock system that will lock the screen and prevent children from manipulating. Additionally, you can establish your own scenes. The application is very intuitive and you can easily handle it without any problem. And by the way, you can also update the firmware of the purifier using the app. If you have any question, please leave it in the section comments and I will be very happy to help you. Okay guys, this is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it can be helpful for you. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, and of course I hope to see you soon in the next video. My name is Leo, this is Tecnología para mí. Chao chao.